Hello, this is Sue Grant, and today we are having a look at Solent Lady. She's a very British yacht. She is a Nicholson 476 built in Gosport by Camper & Nicholsons in their heyday in 1985 to designs by David Pedrick, and she looks stunning. So let's just hop on board and have a look at her. White hull, obviously, centre cockpit yacht, absolutely lovely deck layout. She's got a spray hood which is away at the moment, and she's joined us from Portugal, so you can see she's got a passerelle on the superstructure top, and she has a Rondal furling rig with Rondal powered forestay and also inner stay. Twin anchoring arrangement. The anchor windlass lives beneath those doors, and lovely wide decks, high stanchions. And look at these decks. They are from 2012. They were replaced by Soprama, and they are 12mm, so they replicate the original deck from Campers, and the subdeck was all filled and faired and sorted out before they were applied. They're bonded. And here is this Rondal rig. This was repainted in 2012. Double spreader. Looking very fresh indeed. Still looks very good, and there's a pole on the front. Granny bars, so it's very easy to cope with. And then we're going to just go back. No powered winches, I'm afraid. Main sheet outside the cockpit, which is fabulous. Custom arrangement for the life raft. Boarding ladder. Centre wheel, all the controls here. There is a table in front of the pedestal. She's running on quite original B&G, which is analogue up here. Very easy yacht to work, and of course she is a thing of beauty. You can see that these decks were also done at the time of the deck replacement. Now, if you come down below, you will see something quite extraordinary, which is a 1985 yacht with joinery that looks very similar to the day when the yacht was first commissioned. It is in fabulous condition. And can you see the detailing around the doors, that beading? Absolutely stunning. Large galley. And then we've got this aft-facing chart table. A switch panel. Beneath this there is access to the generator, which is an HFL 4 kilowatt, under 1,000 hours. These electronics are working, but now frankly a little bit elderly. Control for the central heating. And look at this. Harry is shooting this video. And look at that. Beautiful wooden support for the chart table. Just lovely. Everything on this yacht behind the scenes is finished in just the same way as you see it now. She is a spectacular yacht. And then we've got some AV here. This is an old TV that you might want to do something with. Very spacious. Seating area here, large table, and this left-hand side pulls out to make a double berth as you wish. Galley here, tailor's cooker, which looks as new. Twin sink, eclectic plate, fridge freezer, that's all in good shape. And then we're going to have a look in the owner's cabin. Centerline double, lots of storage. Isn't that wonderful? Little sofa to starboard. Lots of light and air. The joinery again is just as faultless as in the main saloon. And then you've got this little dressing table. This chair just flips out. And then into the ensuite heads. Again, all custom made. Look at the curve by the basin. Wave at Harry. The loo is on the right hand side. It's electric, as is the one forward. It's by Lavac. Access to machinery. And then we're also going to have a look. She's got a Perkins 4236, 72 horsepower. The tacho's been changed, so we don't have an accurate hour meter reading, but we think it's probably around 2,000 hours. Very little used. She spent the last years in Portugal and has been delivered back to the UK to be sold. She is VAT paid in Europe and also has return goods relief here in the UK. Now we're going to walk forward. This is the guest cabin. There is an infill to make this a double. Lovely light place. Lots of storage for guests. Great for extended stays. And then you also have to look at this. Look at this little basin. How cool is that? Very smart. The side windows have all been replaced. And you've got the heads compartment and shower in here. Again, the loo is tucked away. All in perfect condition. We go back into this marvellous main saloon, which feels very light and airy. Original headlinings, and as you can see, the overheads are in great shape. This yacht really is something a little bit special. Everything you see goes with her except the painting on the port side. And then back up into the cockpit. And onto the aft deck. Nicholson 476, Solent lady. She is lovely.